This week on Dak and Jew, we are making a very special spring surprise. This week on Dak and Jew, we have a special treat for you.
This week on Dak and Jew, we have a great spring treat. I think the reason why we're having such a hard time introducing this is because deviled eggs are the least sexy food.
They're not sexy, but they're so good.
Julie loves deviled eggs so much that when she had a potluck in college and told everyone to bring a dish, 3 separate people brought her deviled eggs, including me. We love them. I mean, I went through a phase in college where every single day I'd come back from class and I would just make myself a single deviled egg. Just one, just like hard-boiled it, pop out the yolk, put in some mayo and mustard, sprinkle the salt, good to go. Anyway, we're gonna kick it up a notch a bit today and we're gonna beet-dye them. We're gonna make them pink.
All right, so first step is we are going to cut our beet into quarters.
So we didn't even peel this, we're just going to quarter it.
All right, and into our little saucepan it goes. Next, we are going to add our vinegar. The recipe, you can put in like a cup or less. We're just gonna bloop some in there. Next, we are gonna put in about a tablespoon of sugar and about 2 teaspoons-ish of salt. Last step, 3 cups of water so that we can get a nice kind of like brining liquid. And we are just going to bring this to a boil. So our beets and our vinegar and our sugar salt solution have been boiling for just like a minute or two, and now we're just gonna empty it into this bowl.
I'm scared of you
A little bit. Move away.
15, 14, 13, oops.
13.
So you put 6 eggs in a pot, covered it with about an inch of cold water, put a lid on, brought it to a rolling boil. Once it was at a rolling boil, we put on a timer for 7 minutes, kept it going for 7 minutes, then immediately took them off. Had cold water flowing, cooling them down.
You could also do an ice bath if you had ice. We just don't have any.
We just don't have any. So now we're gonna peel them.
And remember, maybe you remember this from our jammy egg video, but there's like a little air pocket at the bottom of the egg normally, and it makes it really easy to crack them open when you hit that first.
Oh yeah, look at that, just like sliding off, like my fingers just running along. Wait, can you get it off in one? Can you get it off in one?
No. Whoa, I've actually never seen that done before. Here, look, that's pretty good too.
Feels good.
These are really well done. Like as in like a good job.
Oh my God, I thought you meant like they're overcooked and I was like, there's nothing worse.
No.
You know that a hard-boiled egg is overcooked. Have you ever eaten a hard-boiled egg, cut it in half, and there's just like sort of a greenish blue on the yolk, on the outside? Overdone. You're better than that.
How are you doing this?
Again?
All right, so our eggs have been soaking in this beautiful pink dye for a couple hours now. So we're just going to spoon them out. Look how cute they are.
It's not dried out at all.
And that actually is perfect.
And then just pop the yolk into a bowl. And Julie's going to add in all of the other ingredients.
Put in a couple tablespoons of mayo. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. About a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now I'm just gonna whip up the yolks, trying to make them as smooth as...
Julie's adding just like a touch of red wine vinegar. It adds an additional tang on top of the Dijon mustard, but also it'll loosen them up a little bit and make it easier to smooth them out.
How much noise can we make?
New theme song.
Hearty crack a pepper.
All right, it's getting pretty smooth. Nicely whipped, nice and smooth. We tasted it for seasoning. Typically, we'd probably just spoon them in. They would look a little crazy, but we're gonna try and take photos of these, so we're gonna attempt the piping method.
With a plastic baggie.
Normally, I don't have enough patience, but let's give it a go.
Just gonna Ziploc this up and take it for lunch tomorrow.
Oh, press out all the air, seal it really tightly. Then we're gonna cut a big piece off the corner, like this. We'll squeeze.
It's looking good.
Oh,
yeah. Wow, this works great.
This does work great. Honestly, I wasn't sure how this was gonna turn out, but it's perfect. And then we're just gonna dust it with a little bit of sweet paprika. You can also do smoked paprika. Oh, come to mama. I feel like really indecisive right now. I think maybe this one. Boop.
Oh my god. Tangy, salty,
Creamy,
pink.
pink.
Oh, there you are.